Welcome back to Weekend Prime. Let's now take a look at what is happening in the business world. Now, Kenya National Highways Authority says that there are plans to build pedestrian underpasses in other key junctions and roundabouts across the city. While inspecting the Greenpark terminus pedestrian underpass, which is 99% complete, Kenya Director General Luka Kimeli noted that funding has been a challenge to scaling the underpasses.
This one.
We hope that it is going to be replicated in other junctions also across the city. The challenge has been financing, but we are happy that this is the pilot one, so that once we are through with this, then we look for additional funding to be able to move ahead and do the same on about 5-6 junctions across the city. So that is where we are today. We are almost completed. The contractor has been very helpful with the consultant. At least they have been able to work in harmony to be able to give us a good product. As you can see, we are almost finishing, and we hope that once completed, it will be able to serve the purpose for which it was intended to have.
The Kenya National Chamber